Hi guys, welcome to the English virtual class. My name is Jimena and I'm gonna be your teacher during this class. First of all, let me tell you something about me. Well, nowadays I'm working as a teacher here in Baños in a high school and I'm working with teenagers. For me, being a teacher is very special because I have the opportunity of knowing something about the human side of my students. But sometimes it's also kind of difficult being a teacher because I have to lead with different kind of personalities of the students. Well, guys, this class is about the importance of studying English nowadays. So let me explain you about this. As you know, English is the most spoken language around the world. So a lot of doors could open for you and for your personal and business growing. If you know how to speak English, you will travel, you will meet a lot of new people, and even you will find your soulmate. Really, guys, you will find your soulmate. So you have to learn English. But before you start to learning English, you have to know something. You have to know that the most important thing about learning English is that you have to communicate. The first objective that you have to achieve is the communication, not really the grammar rules, sorry. You have to achieve the communication. Remember how babies start to talk. Do you remember when you were a baby? So babies start by listening first. They start listening their parents. Then they start to imitate the sounds and they produce strange sounds at the beginning. With the time and with the practice, these sounds change into words and then they have communicate and the majority of the people can understand them, but they don't need grammar rules really. They just communicate, they just speak, they just say words and they can communicate. So remember that before learning English. You have to do this like babies. First of all, listen, then try to imitate, then you can communicate. So please guys, don't feel embarrassed about learning English. At the beginning you can sound kind of strange, but don't worry about this. Just try it and try it. Then with the practice you are gonna communicate better. But don't forget that our objective is the communication, not the grammar rules. Grammar rules you can learn with the time, with the pass of the time, yes, while time goes by. But first of all, you have to communicate and communicate. It's a good idea to learning English to record yourself, especially in order to work with pronunciation. And also, it's a good idea to work with English songs in order to increase your vocabulary. And also work with English movies if you like, because you can learn a lot of expressions. Sorry. So, if you want to learn something about English, if you want to learn English, don't feel embarrassed, just do it. Thanks, guys.